Hey guys, welcome back to Illumind, your 10-minute book summary channel. Ever felt stuck in a rut, craving more? Like your mind was aching for a workout? The key to unlocking your potential lies within a book. Reading is a superpower waiting to be unleashed. Think of your brain as a garden, thirsty for knowledge. Reading nourishes your mind, helping ideas blossom. Opening a book opens your mind to endless possibilities. Dive into adventures, unravel mysteries, and explore distant lands. Reading transforms you from the inside out. Turn the page and let the adventure begin. We live in a world overflowing with information. It's like drinking from a fire hose. How do we navigate this constant barrage of news, social media updates, and endless notifications? The answer is simple: by becoming a skilled reader. Reading helps you develop critical thinking skills, allowing you to sift through the noise and identify what's truly important. It's like having a superpower that helps you separate fact from fiction, identify bias, and form your own informed opinions. Remember those times when you felt overwhelmed by a problem? Reading can be your trusty sidekick. By exploring different perspectives and gaining insights from others' experiences, you'll develop the tools to tackle challenges with confidence. In a world where information is power, reading is your secret weapon. It equips you with the knowledge, critical thinking skills, and adaptability to thrive in any situation. Ready to dive into the wonderful world of reading, but not sure where to start? Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Finding your reading groove is all about discovering what brings you joy and making it a part of your daily routine. First things first, ditch the pressure. There's no right or wrong way to read, so forget about reading lists that feel like homework. Start by exploring genres that pique your interest. Love a good mystery? Dive into a thrilling whodunit. Prefer to escape reality? Fantasy worlds await. Once you've found your niche, set realistic reading goals. Start small, maybe with 15 minutes a day, and gradually increase your reading time as you get more comfortable. Remember, consistency is key. Finally, create a cozy reading nook where you can escape from distractions and fully immerse yourself in the story. A comfy chair, good lighting, and a warm blanket can work wonders. With millions of books at our fingertips, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by choice. How do you separate the literary gems from the duds? Don't worry, I've got your back. Ask friends for recommendations, join online book clubs, or browse curated lists from trusted sources. Pay attention to book reviews, but take them with a grain of salt. What one reader loves, another might find dull. Look for reviews that resonate with your taste. If a book isn't grabbing your attention after a few chapters, it's okay to put it down and move on. Section 5. The gift that keeps on giving. How reading enriches your life. Remember that feeling of accomplishment after finishing a challenging puzzle? Reading offers that same sense of satisfaction, but with the added bonus of expanding your knowledge and horizons. Think of reading as a mental workout for your brain. It strengthens your memory, improves your focus, and boosts your vocabulary. You'll find yourself effortlessly weaving new words into conversations, impressing your friends and colleagues with your eloquence. But the benefits of reading extend far beyond mental agility. Studies have shown that reading can reduce stress, improve sleep, and even increase empathy by allowing us to step into the shoes of others. Reading is a gift that keeps on giving, enriching your life in countless ways. Section 6. Sharing the joy of reading. Building your bookworm squad. Remember the excitement of discussing your favorite book with a friend who gets it? Sharing your love of reading with others amplifies the experience and opens up new avenues for exploration. Joining a book club is like joining a team sport for your mind. You get to share your thoughts and interpretations, engage in lively debates, and discover new perspectives on familiar stories. Don't have a book club nearby? No problem. Create your own. Invite friends, family, or colleagues to join you in exploring a shared love of reading. You can even host virtual book club meetings to connect with fellow bookworms worldwide. Sharing your passion for reading not only deepens your own understanding, but also inspires others to discover the transformative power of books. Section 7. Unleash the power within. Reading as a catalyst for change. Have you ever finished a book feeling inspired, motivated, or even ready to take on the world? That's the power of reading in action. The right book at the right time can be a catalyst for positive change in your life. Reading exposes you to new ideas, different cultures, and alternative ways of thinking. It challenges your assumptions, broadens your perspective, and empowers you to see the world through a new lens. By stepping into the shoes of fictional characters and real-life heroes, you'll gain insights into human nature, learn valuable life lessons, and discover the courage to pursue your dreams. Remember, the knowledge you gain through reading is not passive. It's a powerful tool for personal growth and transformation. Section 8. The right book at the right time. A life-altering experience. The right book at the right time can change your life. This simple yet profound statement perfectly captures the transformative power of reading. It's not just about the words on the page, but the impact those words have on our hearts and minds. Imagine stumbling upon a book that speaks directly to your soul, addressing your deepest fears, insecurities, or aspirations. A book that provides clarity during a time of confusion, offers solace in moments of grief, or ignites a spark of hope when you need it most. That's the magic of the right book at the right time. It has the power to shift your perspective, challenge your beliefs, and inspire you to make positive changes in your life. It's a reminder that even in our darkest moments, hope and inspiration can be found within the pages of a book. Section 9. Join the movement. Embrace the power of reading. As we've explored throughout this journey, reading is more than just a hobby. It's a superpower waiting to be unleashed. It's a key that unlocks a world of knowledge, a portal to endless possibilities, and a catalyst for personal transformation. So, my fellow adventurers, I urge you to embrace the power of reading. Make it a part of your daily routine, explore new genres, and connect with other bookworms to share your love of literature. You never know what life-changing adventures await you within the pages of a book. Join the movement. Unleash your inner bookworm and discover the transformative power of reading. The world is waiting to be explored, one page at a time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, do me a favor and let me know in the comments. You can also let me know which book summary you'd like to see next. See you next time, and please hit that like and subscribe button.